Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this meter that I've been given for my birthday. I've always wanted one of these clamp meters. This meter is unbranded, but still does the job. Sorry about that. It does ohms, volts, AC and volts DC. That is a voltage checker, so a high voltage checker, or low voltage I'd say, and it measures up to 600 amperes via the clamp. It's got a hold feature, and this light shows you that there is present high voltage when you're doing tests. This model is a DT3266L, and it's been probably checked by something there. As you got the typical terminals, the common and the volt and the ohm terminal. This terminal is for checking high voltage, and it can be rated 400 volt max between this terminal and that terminal for checking high voltage. So I would not want to be using this on three-phase installations unless it is star, so each phase is 400 volts, but you can get different types of these meters that can measure three-phase, but this is just for measuring single-phase appliances and doing ohm checks and that stuff. This is a Cat 2 meter. It's got some of the symbols there with the little high voltage sticker and the 600 volts to earth and that stuff. So these two can carry 600 volts. DC or AC, as you can see here, it's the direct current. That's the alternating current there. Or alternating voltage. So the amperes here, so measuring just say a home installation from the mains cable, I want to put it to the 200 amp range there, because you're not going to be drawing more than 100 amperes unless you have a three-phase installation, which you could be unless it's a commercial and industrial building, but for a home 200 ampere range is just fine. Yeah, still got that nasty cold. Quite sorry about that, but can't do anything about it. There's a hold feature, as you can see. Sorry for the bad quality video. There's the ohms, 2 milliohm range, 200,000 ohm range, and the 2 kilo ohm range, or 2,000 ohm range and the 200,000 ohm range. Alrighty, I'll do a small demonstration, and I'll just show you the leads first. They're not too big. Just move it out of the way here. Just little small things here. Says here rated to 1000 volts, double insulated, but for God's sake, I wouldn't want to put 1000 volts through this terminal at all, and I wouldn't trust this little flimsy wire at 1000 volts. Yes, right there. So this is both leads. And I will give you a small demonstration. Hold on. Right, here is the meter, 228 volts, alternating current, 50 hertz. It's my little meter, and I'll be doing the small test right here. Don't really do this, you should get a proper tester for that. Okay. Right, first of all, have your meter here. You put the red lead on this one, put it there to the little sparky thing, and you put your the black wire to the common, and then you flick your meter to the little high voltage icon there, and I'll show you what happens. Please don't try this. There we go, the LED is lit, and it is showing there is high voltage there. I'll show you, it can measure voltage AC, so it can, to do that, you take it out of this position here, you flick it up to the 600 volts alternating current range, you take the red wire out of the high voltage slot, and you put it back into the voltage and ohm slot, and you just perform the test again, and I hope it will be, it's got a little light up, or a little letter up there, HV, indicating high voltage. Okay. So that is reading 229 volts. You can see it's just me moving around the wires. And this one was reading 227. Well, that was 228 now. Various appliances being switched on and off around the street in my home. But yeah, this has a 1 volt difference. But it is okay. Obviously, if you put it on DC, it will not work. Show no voltage. But yeah, let's take this away. This is my little test pod thingy. It's just an adapter Corjo. Yeah, no, unsleeved pins. Okay, there we go. 228. But yeah, you should invest in one of these little devices. Oh, sorry. Hold on a minute. So functions is amperes, or 0, power factor, which is 100, and it's the date today, apparently Tuesday, but it's wrong. Watts, 0, because there's no load on this, and that's total price, and that's volts alternating current. Right. What else? Okay, that's about it for this one. And just to turn it off, it's got a little off bit here. Oh, and I'll do a oh no, I'll keep on doing a video. I'll do a current video now on this bit, and I'll be measuring a short circuit on a 30 volt transformer. Right. Bring it back up here. Oh, there we go. It's better. Yeah, I need some light here. Okay. Right, to do current, take both leads out. Well, first of all, you actually switch it to whatever slot you desire, which is I'll be doing 20 amps. Take both leads out on 20 amps. Get my mini transformer out. Oh, not mini in the state, sorry. Plug it in here. Hold on a minute. Need to move things around. A pretty messy room, sorry. Okay. That's reading for some reason. It's probably just 0.2. 002, just for the magnetic fields around us, I guess, that can correspond with that. Just here to bring out my cable that I use for short circuits, which is this little flimsy speaker wire right here, which cannot handle 20 amps at all. Almost had this melt on me. Okay, let's put this around here, through here. Come on, light. £10 10.8, 10.6, 10.5 ampere. Yep, there we go. Yep, so that was showing the short circuit current of this transformer. This is an alternating current transformer as well. Well, of course, 50 watt, 230, 240 volt, 50 hertz, safety, extra low voltage, but it's not really, kind of is, but kind of not. But yeah, on short circuit, that 10.6 amperes short circuit current. I'll do it again, just to show you. Right. Alright, well, I had the peak current, which was 11.83 amps, and that is on hold. So, that just shows you the power of a transformer. Yep, so that's how you measure current. Just put the wire through there, the clamp meter, and it will show you. Okay, that's how you do. Here we go, 0.83 ampere. 20 amp. There we go. Took the hold off. Yep. Alright, guys, that's actually I'll do another test on me. The ohms range. So how you measure the ohms is you select it to the desired ohm range, and you put the black into the common, and into the red into the volt and ohm slot, and there we go. This is measuring myself. It's going up. So this is from hand to hand right here, and that's around 1.2, 1.1, 1.3. So between 1.3 and 1.1. So yeah, it's gone up now. Oh, now it's even going further up. So 1.4, 1.5 milliohms. That's my resistance, 1.5 milliohms. Yeah. And it's one, basically the one is saying there is an open circuit, or there is unlimited or infinite resistance. Yep, so this is that's how you measure the voltage and current and ohms on this meter. So until next time, thank you for watching.